Select 1-star alignment in the app. Before starting, press Auto Sync to synchronize the telescope's date, time, and location. Choose a bright and clearly visible star for calibration. Avoid stars that have another bright star nearby, this can cause misalignment. Once selected, point your telescope precisely at that star using app or telescope joystick. When aligned, confirm the calibration. 1-star alignment is now complete. You can use full GoTo features from app. Select 2-star alignment in the app. Begin by choosing your first star, just like in the 1-star alignment. Move the telescope to that star using the telescope controls or the app joystick. Once it's centered, select your second star. The telescope will automatically move toward it. 2-star alignment gives the best accuracy in the region of the sky where the calibration was performed. For optimal results, make sure your telescope base is as level with the floor as possible. Use the joystick to fine-tune the position of the second star in the eyepiece. When it's perfectly centered, tap Finish Calibration to complete the process.